Hello everyone, welcome back to Nat A2, Natural Alternatives to Health. I want to first say thank God. Today is a beautiful day in Florida, very sunny, and I'm very happy to be here and be alive, to give all thanks to God. And also, I want to say if you are a new subscriber, welcome to Natural Alternatives 2. And if you're not a subscriber and if you want to follow me on my hair care journey, please hit the subscribe button, and there's a bell that you can hit and it will give you updates of videos that I post. When I do post them, you can see me on this journey that I am on. Well, today I want to kind of reiterate some things about my hair when I use the Stimugro. The last video I did about Stimugro, I basically used the product and I believe my hair looked terrific. Of course, the video is never something that will show the true definition unless you really have a good camera. And that's all I want to talk to y'all about, because the last time I did not really show you guys my hair up close, and you know, some want to see the true definition, and sometimes the video really doesn't speak the way it would do if you were in person with me. So that's pretty much it. I am not very good at styling my hair. There are some natural hair gurus out there that are very big at styling, and I had to go look at a few videos, and one favorite in particular is Naptural85. She's actually one of my favorites. She just really knows a lot about hairstyles and different things. So I had to go on her video and get a little help. So I rewashed my hair this a couple of days ago, and I basically twisted it. This time I tried to implement some of the things that she does, but I did use the Stimugro conditioner. So I wanted y'all to take a look. I think the definition is a little better than the last video. So I wanted y'all to see closely the definition of my hair, because the last video I did not show you guys the definition of my hair. So what I did, I basically washed my hair basically with a co-wash. I used my own leave-in conditioner, my homemade natural leave-in conditioner, and washed that out. Used my oils for my scalp. I used my green tea oil, and just use the Stimugro Leave-in conditioner. That's all I put on it. There is a twist seminar coming up featuring the Stimugro owner, and this lady has her business in Canada, and she's coming to Florida, and I'm really excited that she's gonna be doing a seminar, and I'm gonna be a part of it. And if any of you all out there that are interested, there's a link below, Eventbrite. You can register if you're a hairstylist or a barber, or just, you know, you're just interested because you want to know more about how to make a business out of helping people with their hair. You know, this seminar will be for you. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Be natural, stay natural, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. God bless.